Oh my gulay. Excuse me. Tapusin mo na, Pacquiao. You can do it. Tapusin mo na. Pinapa-suspense mo pa mga tao eh.
Nangihingi na ako, tapusin mo na.
And so far, through 8 rounds at the beginning of
I know.
number 9, stamina not an issue for Manny Pacquiao. Spring is now, and so far, you have a progress. What are you seeing? I'm seeing a really focused Manny Pacquiao.
Oo. May nagsasaing na amoy ko yung sinaing.
He's moving a lot.
Sige na, sugurin mo na. Tapusin mo na.
Hindi mo ba matapakita doon, Larry? Nanonood
9-12 eh. Tapusin mo na, Pacquiao. Tapusin mo na siya. Ano na?
18%.
Hoy! Ayun! Hindi niya maano ah. Parang nakaharang yung kamay eh.
The last 4 rounds, it's just, he's running numbers on Barrios and he's just not finding answers.
Nakakatuwa ano? Nakakatuwa eh.
Feed off the energy of the people, and that's what Manny Pacquiao's doing to the crowd. They love Manny Pacquiao. They know he
Oh, bakit? Ano na? Nagyayakapan na? Sinusuntok pa rin? Ganon? Pwede yun?
they may not be 6
Oh,
Ayaw.
ayaw dumikit ah. Bakit kaya? Masakit siguro sa tagiliran pagka nasuntok siya doon. Oo, doon siya lumiligtas.
what they're seeing in the ring with their own eyes. Barrios, what you saw, come on.
Puro jab lang. Oh.
The younger guy, I'm stronger, I'm bigger. I gotta start pushing this automatic.
Yari siya. Oh.
After 35 seconds left
Oo.
in this ninth round, and
Takot din siya maanuhan ni Pacquiao.
this ninth round,
Masuntok na yung Pacquiao.
Mario Barrios.
Tumayo na kayo.
Kawawa yung katabi ng isa dyan. Sabi ko lang. Sweetie.
What kind of response Barrios has? I'll tell you one thing, the jab has gone. There it is, right on cue. The jab is
You can do it.
Mario Barrios.
10 seconds.
That's what was dictating.
Nasayang si Pacquiao. Hindi na.
Ay no. Ano ba to? Nagpapahabol or ano? Hindi ko alam eh.
Ito yung